Hello, Teacher Cesar. Good afternoon. I am Elise, and God bless you. I'm found a store sell women's clothing. I visited this store because I love fashion and Rose store. And how much is that iron? And how much is that iron? That blouse costs 45,000 pesos. It is blouse and red is very beautiful. How much it is trousers? It is cost 80,000 pesos. And how much is that iron? That strip costs 20,000 pesos. How much is this Rex? This is Rex cost 100,000 pesos. How much are those shorts? The shorts cost 55,000 pesos. And how much are those earrings? Those earrings cost 25,000 pesos. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.